What is happening with the cryptocurrency markets? We're going to be talking about that in this morning's video. We're also going to touch on a little bit of AltCoinTrader news. You guys know that I make a video at least once a week just to make sure that you can get your dose of what's happening with AltCoinTrader and what's happening with the crypto markets. So let's get right into it. Now, guys, we've seen a tremendous drawback in the last week. We've seen cryptocurrency crash from around about 65,000 US dollars. I'm talking about Bitcoin, all the way down to 30,000. Now, this is not something we haven't seen before. Is it cause for concern? Are we in a bear market? And the answer to that is, if we focus on Bitcoin, we are below the 200-day moving average, which technically means that we are in a bear market. A lot of people just coming on YouTube and saying, guys, don't worry, it will bounce back, it'll recover, everything's going to be fine. But let's just take a sobering look at what has actually happened. We don't have Ethereum below the 200-day moving average, but we certainly have Bitcoin below that average. And we know that traditionally, Bitcoin has always led the charge. If Bitcoin sneezes, the whole crypto market gets flu or gets sick. But we are seeing something slightly different. And we are seeing, arguably, that Ethereum has started to lead the market. A lot of sentiment in the market that Ethereum and a lot of these coins that have actual use case that you can do things with are going to, in the near to midterm, flip Bitcoin. So be that as it may, technically, I think it's fair to say we can say that Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, is in a bear market, focusing purely on the technicals. Fundamentally, I would like to argue that Bitcoin is absolutely not in a bear market. The fundamentals are still strong. Everything in the crypto ecosystem is extremely bullish. In fact, nothing has changed in the last 3 weeks. We still have DeFi. DeFi is not going away. The alternative financial solutions that DeFi offer are stronger than ever and are growing day by day. So just to take a quick break, I've had people say to me, but is Bitcoin going to be over? Is cryptocurrency going to be over? And I can't stress this enough. Absolutely not. Are we going to see more downside in the near future or in the mid future? Very, very possibly. Guys, I'm not going to come on here and tell you that we're about to recover and everything's going to bounce back. What I believe is that we are currently in a holding pattern, right? We need more data to come in. We need to understand the market sentiment better before we can make an educated guess, and yes, I'm saying an educated guess, as to which direction the market is going to. Now, a lot of people are also dismissing this bear market or this downtrend and saying, guys, just buy the dip. My question is, where do you guys get all this money to buy the dip? I mean, I'm heavily invested in crypto. I don't have a lot of money. When there's a dip, my only solution is to take a decentralized finance loan or loan against my cryptocurrency to try and buy the dip. And that can at times be very lucrative, but at other times it can be extremely dangerous because you don't know where the bottom is. Anyway, guys, I believe we're in a holding pattern. I believe the best action to take right now is really just to observe. If you are in a position where you have money that you can afford to lose and you are very bullish, sure, a lot of people are buying the dip. I personally am simply observing the market. A lot of people also asking me, why did you not sell when Bitcoin was at 60,000? Guys, if Bitcoin goes to 60,000 again, I'm not selling. The simple answer is because when you sell your Bitcoin, you have a tax debt which you need to pay. And I'm in a 40+% tax bracket, which means that there is an immediate loss if you sell. So I will not swap one asset for another asset. It's a far stretch to consider rand or dollars an asset, but I am not a trader. I'm not a swing trader. I am a hodler. Every now and again, I will take a trade or I will attempt to leverage my portfolio to get more cryptocurrency, but I don't trade. So that is why I did not sell, and I will not sell if we go up, even if I know for sure that we are going to go down, because we need to start to consider the tax implications of selling our cryptocurrency. Anyway, guys, be that as it may, holding pattern right now. We will see in the weeks to come whether we are going to continue to drop, which is highly possible, or whether we're going to see a turnaround and we're going to see this market continue with the bull run. Technically, we're in a bear market. Fundamentally, absolutely not. This ecosystem has never been stronger. So take away from this the reassurance that if you have got the courage and you have got the chutzpah to hold your cryptocurrency long term, you are going to be in a very good position. If you are not confident and if you are scared of loss and sell in the short term, that is when you're going to feel the pain. Remember, you only lose when you sell. Okay, guys, moving on to some altcoin trader news. Something I always like to look at is this Easy Save. It is really an exceptional way to increase your cryptocurrency. Guys, if you are holding cryptocurrency and you're not earning a passive income on it, I would like to urge everyone to look at AltCoinTrader's Easy Save. It is a no-brainer, guys. There's no lockup period. There are no fees, and you can move in and out of Easy Save and earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. These are, of course, the cryptocurrencies that I'm talking about, and these are the interest rates that we are currently offering. This will change from time to time. But more importantly, guys, Binance Coin BNB to launch on the 2nd of June. Now, this has got a lot more to it. You are also going to be able to move Ethereum on the Binance chain in and out of AltCoinTrader. You're going to be able to move USDT on the Binance Smart Chain in and out of AltCoinTrader. And that is very exciting. But for those of you that have got the insight and understand where we are going with this, we are going to then allow trading of XR on PancakeSwap. So we've got a road to go, and this is not going to all happen on the 2nd of June. But you can see the build-up. You can see where we're going. We need to get XR to be a proper bridge into the decentralized world where you can move your Rands, your XR out into decentralized world where you can trade on multiple platforms, be that the Matic platform, be that the Binance Smart Chain, be that the Ethereum platform, with Uniswap. That is the vision of XR, and that is the vision where we are going to. Quick look before I sign off for this morning. Let's have a look at the fear and greed index. It's nicely up from it went down to 10. It's now at 22, which does indicate that we are at least in the short term having a market recovery. We've got Bitcoin at $39,800 US. We've got Ethereum, which has just pumped so hard recently that it's almost not been affected by this drawdown at $2,800 US. Binance Coin dramatically down, just from the $600 mark to $374. Guys, Bitcoin cryptocurrency is volatile, but this ecosystem is extremely solid. Finance 2.0, this alternative financial system that we are seeing, is not to be underestimated. I would like to encourage everyone to take heart. Guys, join me every week so that you can get a video. I share my thoughts, I share the news in crypto, I share the news in AltCoinTrader, and hopefully together we take this journey and we will build stronger platforms, stronger portfolios that we can take and move into generational wealth. Guys, if you like my content, subscribe. Don't subscribe. I really don't care. That's it from me. I'm out.